we are more of preventive. Pag sa wildlife ka kasi, it's so hard for you to treat an animal because wildlife na sila, mas prone sila sa stress. So once you treat the animal, ayun, you have to be careful in everything. Kaya hindi ka nagigisa. Wala masyado. We don't really have the usual cases of diseases kasi we are more of preventive. Pag sa wildlife ka kasi, it's so hard for you to treat an animal because wildlife na sila, mas prone sila sa stress. So once you treat the animal, ayun, you have to be careful in everything. Kaya ang ginagawa namin dito, more of preventive. So, kunyari, how do you do preventive? So, kunyari, lakas ako, bumagyo. So, afterwards, we give usual ginagawa namin, may preventive antibiotic kami. Then we supplement it with vitamins para lumakas. C for anti-stress, and other multivitamins to increase its appetite. Then, pag summer, ang ginagawa namin, nag-spray kami ng water para eliminate yung heat stroke, and we add the electrolytes sa water. So, ganun po yung ginagawa namin. Well, we have also diseases like usually respiratory. Yan, madali naman gamutin. Ang problema lang namin dito, meron kasing in-cage fighting. Ibig sabihin po, nag-aaway sila kahit sila magkakasama, minsan, because of territory, nag-aaway-aaway po sila. So, we have to stitch wounds, face out, tapos nilalagay po, itong part po kasi, this is the quarantine section. Dito po namin tinitreat. So, this is the clinic. Outside, within this part is quarantine section. So, doon namin pinaka-heal yung sugat, or kaya sinesegregate namin from the unhealthy, from the healthy ones para hindi magkahawa.
Ano naman po pinagkaiba nung sa urban, dito nga po sa Manila, sa Subic sa
Subic sa hindi, wala naman po masyado siya. Different zoos have different hindi po. Iba lang po ang style na niya. Well, the Subic, I have been to Subic at Subic, more of talagang nandun sila sa, yung trail kasi nila is more of, hindi talaga sila, wildlife din sila, pero kasi may petting rin sila. So, hindi sila talaga naka-cage, naka-enclosure. Ako nakapunta nyo, may trail kayo doon, hindi masyado ng closure. Kasi, hindi talaga siya yung kagaya ng mga zebra, mga